Over time, furniture seat cushions break down, sag, and become uncomfortable to sit on. But hold on, don't throw away money on brand new furniture. Now there's an affordable solution to this sad sagging cushion problem. Try SagsAway Ultrablue, the patented two-piece sagging cushion repair kit. This repair kit comes with a 1.5-inch thick durable foam insert and a posture zone insert. And SagsAway is easy to use. Unzip the cushion cover. Next, slide the foam insert between the cushion and the bottom of the cover. And while squeezing to compact the cushion and foam insert, zip the cushion cover closed. It's that simple. Remember, the tighter the fit, the better the results. SagsAway is unique because of the patented two-piece closed-cell military-grade foam insert that acts as a shock absorber and helps to restore the cushion's density while improving comfort and renewing the furniture's appearance. As an added bonus, the posture zone insert can provide an extra boost to the area where your weight impacts the cushion the most. Remember, SagsAway always goes in the cushion cover, not under the cushion. And it's an easy, cost-effective way to extend the life of your furniture. Now, before you order, make sure your furniture's spring deck is in good shape. SagsAway can fix sagging seat cushions, not weak or broken spring decks. Also, the foam inserts come in 3 different sizes, so it's important to measure the size of your cushion in order to know what foam insert will work best. Make your furniture look and feel like new. Made right here in the USA. SagsAway, the simple solution for sagging furniture cushions.